Hello everyone, welcome to our channel RS Kitchen. If you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular updates. Today we will be making crispy peyajis or onion fritters or onion pakoras. For this we require 2 medium-sized onions and 1 green chili. Add 1 teaspoonful of salt and sugar or as per your taste. Mix it well. After that, keep it aside for about 10 minutes so that the onions releases water. Add 1.5 tablespoon of besan, 1 tablespoon of maida, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, pinch of turmeric. Mix well to form a smooth dough-like consistency. Grease hands with oil and give the shape of peyajis. Heat oil in karai and put the peyajis and fry in low flame. After 5 minutes, turn this. Repeat the process till both the sides become red in color and crispy. Transfer it to tissue paper till the excess oil is absorbed. Peyajis are ready to be served. Thank you for watching.